Hello everyone, today we're cooking roasted pumpkin stuffed with mushrooms, mozzarella and rice. So let's start. For this recipe you'll need 2-3 garlics, mushroom 1 kilos, whole pumpkin, 3 onions, rice, mozzarella, butter, 2 or 3 tablespoons of sour cream, oil, parsley to taste, any green you like, salt, spices, 1 sweet pepper or Bulgarian hot pepper to taste. First, parboil the rice in salted water approximately for 20 minutes. It depends on variety of rice. Chop garlic and onion. Cut into small pieces mushrooms, parsley, and hot and sweet peppers. Grate the mozzarella cheese. You can add any green that you like. It can be parsley, it can be dill or cilantro. Anything you prefer. We cut out the core of washed pumpkin and put out seeds. Rub it with salt, pepper and oil. And then put it in the oven for half an hour. Put garlic on the frying pan and fry it to the perfect golden color. Then we add onion, fry mushrooms to moisture evaporation. Then we add 2-3 tablespoons of sour cream or butter if you haven't. After all, we add Bulgarian pepper, sweet pepper, and hot pepper if you like it. Add salt and spices to your taste. Boiled rice mix with our mushroom mixture and add there previously grated mozzarella. Add parsley and also we add any spices you like to this mixture. The pumpkin will be stuffed with this mixture and at the top we put a piece of butter, cover it with our top side of pumpkin and put it in the oven until it's ready. Watch when the pumpkin skin becomes softer, press it with a wooden stick or fork. Enjoy your meal. Put a comment under the video if you like this recipe or which recipe you want to see next on my channel. Thank you.